Good day. Welcome back to the research world. In today's video, we are going to create Google Forms. So let's follow the steps. Open your Google and then click on these dots. Scroll down and look for the Google Forms option. Click on this Google Forms. You will be provided with multiple templates, but click on this blank form. First of all, give title to your Google form. For example, it is University Project. Now come to the question sections. For example, the first question you want to ask is the name of the respondents. So write name, then go to answers type. That is, what type of the answer do you want from the respondent? For example, people need to type names. Select short answer. If this question is mandatory, switch on this option that is required. Now click on the this plus sign and write your next question. For example, it's about the email address. Again, select the type of the answer. For example, it is a short answer as well, and it is mandatory, so switch on this option. Now again, click on this plus sign, and the next question is about, for example, the qualification. But you want the qualification in form of multiple choice, so select multiple choice options. Write the option 1, for example, it is undergraduate. Add another option that is master's, add a third one. For example, it is PhD. So in this way, you can add the multiple choices. You want to add another question that is about the age, write it and select the type of the answer. For example, it is a multiple choice question. This is from 15 to 20. The next one is 22 to 25 and so on. In this way, you can add the question, your Google Form survey. Now click here on this Customize tab. Here you can change set image for your survey. You can change the color as well. For example, I am selecting this theme color. Now click on this Published option. Once you have published your survey, and here you can copy the link of this survey. You can share this link with anyone. For example, we are going to check it. Paste your link in Google, and you can see that this Google form has been opened. Now again, to check for the responses, click on the Response option to see how many people have filled your survey. Click on this Link to Sheets. Link to Sheet means that how would you download your responses that can be directly opened in the SPSS or any other analysis software. Beside this, you can also add the video, image in your Google form. Thank you.